Hi everyone, this is Sherry at Petals and Wicks in Hamilton, Ohio. I'm coming to you today. I'm going to show you how to create a at-home DIY body mist, body spray for your kids. And they can make it at home and spray that, and it's just something fun to do at home. Get your kit. You're going to have a bottle with, it's going to have a base in it where we're going to add the fragrance oil to it. Now when you have this base, when they spray it on them, it won't stain, it won't do any of that. So what you're going to want to do is to take the oil that comes in your kit, like that. It'll be in a little bottle, and you're going to take that oil and you're going to pour it into your body mist base. So I'm going to take a funnel here. I'm going to take the oil carefully here, and I'm going to pour that into our base. I spilled a little bit. So we're going to pour that into the base. So you might want to set this on a tray or something like that, or a paper towel or something. So you're going to take that, pour it in. Put your mister on, and you're just going to shake it. You don't need to continue to shake it all the time. And then in your kit, you're going to have a label that they can name their body mist, whatever they want to name it. They can put the scent on it if they wanted to. And also in the kit, depending on if they order a boy or a girl, they can also, they'll be able to decorate it as well. So I chose little fishies, so I'm going to decorate it here with an octopus. Make it kind of oceany with a little fish. But depending on if they order a boy or a girl, there's a mystery set of stickers and things like that they'll be able to decorate their bottle with. So that is the kids' body mist. They can also use this as a room spray if they like. You can spray it on linens, you can spray it on beds, anything like that. Some kids will use it as a monster spray to spray away any kind of monsters they may encounter in the night, or they can, they can use it that way. And that is how we make a body mist. So thank you for purchasing one of our kids kits to have fun with your kids at home, and they can make something. You can add this on to your homeschooling projects, or just to do something fun with your kids at home. So please, if you like our videos, I would appreciate it if you would share on all your channels and let other people experience some of our nice little products as well. You can also go to our new website at www.petalsandwicks.com, and you can purchase some additional products there, and some more DIY home projects will be coming soon. Thank you so much.